Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing and installation video. Today I'm taking out these little sconces or reading lights that can go by your headboard or something. These are dimmable, fully adjustable. You can get them in black or brass colored. First off, we have these instructions. These can be hardwired or they can be plugged in. So if you have a junction box, these can be hardwired right in. First off, here we have LED light bulb, and this is a dimmable one, so that's pretty cool. I like these ones, these light bulbs here with they look like old-time fashion ones. They're really cool. All right, so this is like a brass-looking color, kind of nice. It's going to be our lampshades there, kind of directing our light, just like that. And we have all the hardware here. So if you are going to hardwire it, there's all the necessary components right there. We'll just be plugging this in. Here in this box, we have our secondary light bulb, so that's cool. And we have two of these. So let's see here. See if this wants to come out of there or not. I'm not sure what is holding this in there. It's wrapped up nicely. All right, so there we have it. And as you can see, it's got all the necessary components if you want to hardwire this or not. So for now, we'll just tuck those under, and we have just our plug-in right here, which has an on-off switch right here, and that is nice. Also, this features, this is fully adjustable here. You can loosen this up, and this goes pretty much any direction that you want. And this also can move up and down and rotate. So this is going to cover pretty near every direction that you want. And we have this switch here that you can turn it all the way up and have this dimmable. So a nice little reading light there too. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and install this, and I'll let you guys see how that works. I can sit here, I could be reading in my bed, and if I wanted to, I could just dim this light here, turn it off like that, or I could just reach over here, turn off my side of the bed, and just go to sleep. But if really like that's fully adjustable, anyway I want to hold it. Sometimes a lot of bedrooms like ours had a light right in the middle, so if you are reading, the light's behind you, so it's difficult to see, you know. So with this, I just pop on my light real quick, and there's plenty of reading light there, and it's nice. And I can dim it if it's darker, or I want my partner to be sleeping, and I can just turn this way down so I can still see, but it's not going to really affect them. So I really like this. It looks kind of elegant. I like how it's really fully adjustable and everything. So thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.